y'all need to take it easy with the Epsom salts because you may be doing more harm than good. Let's talk about it. This is something that I hear all the time on the internet, is that you should be adding Epsom salt to your soil or to the water that you're watering with because it's super good for your plants. But is it really? Just to be clear, Epsom salt is completely different from table salt, which is sodium chloride. Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate. And that's all it is, unless of course you're buying one of the many products now that are sold that have all kinds of essential oils and lavender and other things in there too that people use for soaking in. Now, magnesium and sulfur are two key elements when it comes to plant growth and fertilization, and they are necessary for the plant to have. And I think that's why so many people have ran with this, because in small amounts, yes, they can definitely boost your plants and help them to grow a little bit better. The problem is, in excess, they start to become detrimental to your plants. Recently, a video went viral where a guy, every time he waters his Boston fern baskets, soaks them in an Epsom salt bath. But what will happen whenever your plants get too much magnesium? It will actually start preventing your plant from being able to absorb other key nutrients such as calcium. And when a plant does not absorb calcium correctly, that can cause a lot of other problems, such as in tomatoes, it will cause them to have blossom end rot. And what that means is, even when you have calcium present in the soil, if there's too much magnesium, your plants will not be able to uptake that calcium. So if you want to give your plants a little bit of Epsom salt, do it very sparingly, but I would highly recommend that you get a fertilizer that has all kinds of balanced nutrients in it, because that's going to be a lot more comprehensive and going to do a much better job at fertilizing your plants with all of the different elements and not just magnesium and sulfur. So next time you see something like that, that's a miracle cure for your plants, you might start asking yourself if professional growers actually use that product or not.